Good morning, folks. Over the last 24 hours, we've had a couple of moderately large earthquakes in Iran and Iraq. A bit of a tragedy. Dogs are being shot in Zimbabwe to stop the spread of anthrax. In northern India, we've had their 9th avalanche in the last couple of months, and we have a forest fire going on in southern Australia, the state of Tasmania. Also have a forest fire going on in North Carolina. It's actually spread to northern Georgia as well. A couple of tornadoes in Kansas last night. There's allegedly some pretty bad damage reported there. Over 300 reports of an earthquake in North Carolina last night, but they do not have an epicenter or a magnitude. Also a fairly large quake in Baja. We'll put this link below. These are water clouds on Mars. It's a pretty good read. Also below will be all these links to the Iran, Israel, United States World War III situation. Go ahead and check out whatever you're interested in. Just remember to keep your mind in the right place and stay positive. Folks, we told you yesterday that the Germans approved the debt deal. Now the Greeks have approved the austerity. Does anybody know what step 3 is? Riots. Just wait for them. Now there is no coronal hole stream buffeting us right now, and no CME, but the solar wind speed remains high, around 440 kilometers per second. Now that's causing the Earth to resonate slightly right here around 2 Hertz on the induction magnetometer. Coming over and taking a look at Earth's footprint all the way over here on the left, as you can see, remember that what this means is if there is some kind of major solar eruption near the Earth footprint, we have a higher chance of a particle flux event. Now coming over, we don't have any big magnetic filaments. It looked like we might have an active region turning over the limb, but when we come and we take a closer look, there's not even any real sunspots, just pretty much a beta plague right there. So other than that, folks, we did have a small filament eruption on the top left part of the sun right here. That's a northeastern limb. It will not be geo-effective in all likelihood. Other than that, we have a couple magnetic filaments and a dark coronal hole in the southern part of the sun that's going to be turning towards the Earth in another 24 hours. Lots of news, folks. Be safe.